1. What is the term for organisms that depend on others for food? Heterotrophs. 2. What is the primary function of the heart? To pump blood throughout the body. 3. What is the name of the process by which cells obtain energy from glucose? Cellular respiration. 4. What is the largest artery in the human body? Aorta. 5. What is the role of chloroplasts in plant cells? They carry out photosynthesis. 6. What are the building blocks of proteins? Amino acids. 7. What is the term for a permanent change in the DNA sequence of an organism? Mutation. 8. Which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Arteries. 9. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? Transpiration. 10. Or what is the study of heredity and variation in organisms? Genetics. 11. What is the liquid portion of blood called? Plasma. 12. What is the function of the liver in the human body? Detoxification, bile production, and metabolism. 13. What is the term for the process by which organisms maintain internal stability? Homeostasis. 14. What is the functional unit of the kidney? Nephron. 15. What is the primary function of platelets in the blood? Blood clotting. 16. What is the term for a non-living component of an ecosystem? Abiotic factor. 17. What is the term for organisms that break down dead organic material? Decomposers. 18. What is the main function of the stomata in leaves? Gas exchange. 19. What is the name of the process by which a zygote develops into an embryo? Embryogenesis. 20. What is the primary function of the pancreas? Produces insulin and digestive enzymes. 21. What is the study of interactions between organisms and their environment? Ecology. 22. What is the name of the pigment responsible for skin color? Melanin. 23. What is the type of RNA that carries genetic information from DNA to ribosomes? mRNA. Messenger RNA. 24. What is the protective outer layer of a plant cell called? Cell wall. 25. What is the term for a body's ability to resist diseases? Immunity. 26. What are the two types of nucleic acids found in cells? DNA and RNA. 27. What is the term for an animal that primarily feeds on plants? Herbivore. 28. What is the role of lysosomes in a cell? They break down waste and cellular debris. 29. What is the term for the first trophic level in a food chain? Producers. 30. What is the name of the largest and longest bone in the human body? Femur.